How AI is replacing professional coders. Imagine a world where anyone can create software, no coding experience required. Sounds revolutionary, right? Well, that world is already here. Replit CEO Amjad Masad boldly declares, "We don't care about professional coders anymore." So, what does this mean for the future of programming jobs? AI tools like Replit's Agent are rewriting the rules of the game. These advanced platforms let you go from idea to code in seconds, simply by using natural language. The implications? It's not just programmers who benefit, it's everyone. But is it already costing professional coders their jobs? For decades, programming required years of study and practice. Debugging, testing, and building apps from scratch were jobs only seasoned coders could handle. But with tools like Replit's AI, even a novice can create sophisticated software by typing out what they want. No syntax skills needed. Replit's Agent leverages Anthropic's advanced Claude 3.5 model. It can interpret natural language and generate accurate, reusable code. This revolution is making coding faster, cheaper, and more accessible. The question isn't if AI will dominate coding, it's when. Masad's assertion illustrates a bigger trend. AI is outperforming traditional human coders at repetitive and logical tasks. Platforms like Replit offer speed and efficiency unmatched by manual labor. As a result, companies are rethinking the need for dedicated programming teams. Professional coders are being replaced not because they aren't skilled, but because AI works faster. When a machine can tackle debugging, optimization, and deployment simultaneously, why wait for humans? Innovation now moves at AI speed, leaving traditional roles in the dust. This shift isn't free from difficulties. Professional coders face an uncertain future, forced to adapt or risk obsolescence. Meanwhile, companies adopting AI face unique challenges, maintaining competitive edges, controlling costs, and addressing ethical questions about workforce disruption. The rise of AI in coding also prompts larger societal concerns. What happens when industries lean too heavily on automation? Will technical literacy, creativity, or other skills take priority over knowing programming languages? These are questions professionals must ask now. While AI may be replacing certain jobs, it's also opening up new avenues. Programming is no longer a gate-kept expertise. Entrepreneurs, hobbyists, and creatives can now build apps and platforms cheaply and quickly, lowering barriers to entry for innovation. This transformation pushes coders into more creative, strategic fields. Instead of writing the same lines of code, they can focus on higher-level tasks, conceptual design, problem-solving, and AI management. The future favors those who can leverage AI as a tool, not fear it as a threat. The AI revolution impacting coders will not stop at software development. Similar disruptions are already altering industries like design, writing, and even medicine. AI's ability to analyze vast data and execute complex tasks is reshaping how we approach work across professions. In the end, this is more than a programming story. It's a glimpse into our collective future. Preparing for a world where machines collaborate with humans rather than replace them is the key to thriving in this new era of work. The days of programming as we know it are numbered. Replit's bold AI advancements prove professionals must adapt, innovate, or risk falling behind. Will you embrace these tools or resist the tide? The choice is yours, but one thing's for sure, the game has changed forever. Now is the time to act. Start exploring how AI can enhance your skills and creativity. Try out platforms like Replit's Agent today and discover what's possible when you combine your ideas with cutting-edge AI. Don't fear the future, be a part of it. If you like the video, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel.